Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to build an advanced breadboard system. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to do some advanced breadboarding. We're going to have an LED, a 9 volt, 2 jumper cables, a 330 μF capacitor, and a battery clip. Our goal in this one is to hook up the LED circuit that we know is a simple circuit with a capacitor. It won't last very long only because the capacitors that are used are not very big. However, you'll see a fade into the light rather than a complete shut off when you pull the plug on the LED. So next we can take our capacitor, and what I did was that I took the positive, which is a longer one, and bent it shorter to match the negative side, just so it looks cleaner and easier when we plug it in. So we're going to take the negative one and plug it right into the negative terminal band, and we can connect the positive one to any of them, so just plug them in like that. Just move that over so you can see. There we go. And then take one of the jumper cables and connect it to any of the positive ones right over here, and then plug it straight back into the one that's connected to the positive end of the capacitor right there, like that. So next we can take our LED, and you want to determine the positive and the negative side. So if you can't do that very easily, the positive one would be the longer one, the negative one is the shorter one. However, if they're bent like this one here, you can quickly just take an extra battery if you have one and just spread apart the two sides a little, and then touch it, and if it lights up like that, you know that this one is a negative one. Just like that. That's a negative. So I want to plug this one into the negative side, just like how we did with the capacitors, and we can just plug the positive into any of them like that. Next, we're going to take our last jumper cable right over here and attach it to the positive band, just like we did with the capacitor. Put it right above that. And the reason that light flickered was that the contact between the battery for the negative is not making good contact with the breadboard. So now it's lit up. And the purpose of that is when we take away the source providing the energy, the capacitor will have some current left in it, and it will fade out because the LED will take up all the energy, and it'll fade out instead of snapping out, going black really quickly. And if we take it out, it slowly fades down. But if we didn't have the capacitor, it would just snap off very fast. And that's the end of it.